Most people think they're losing the game of life because they aren't working hard enough. But the truth is much more brutal. You aren't losing because you're lazy. You're losing because you're playing a game where you don't even know the rules. Imagine a machine, a massive, invisible economic machine that runs 24/7. It doesn't care about your feelings. It doesn't care about your hustle. It only cares about logic. If you don't understand how the gears of this machine turn, you will spend your entire life being crushed by them. Today, I'm going to show you how to stop being the fuel for someone else's engine and how to start building your own. This isn't just about money. This is about your time, your freedom, your legacy. In 2026, the gap between those who understand the system and those who don't is widening faster than ever before. If you feel like you're running on a treadmill, working harder every year, but staying in the exact same spot, this video is for you. I'm going to decode the 5-step process that took me from a middle-class kid to managing the world. Let's look at your life through a cold, objective lens. Most people wake up, trade 8 to 10 hours of their limited life force for a paycheck, and then spend that paycheck on things that lose value the moment they buy them. They call this living. I call it the economic gravity trap. Think about it. Gravity is a law of nature. If you drop a rock, it falls. If you don't have enough thrust, a rocket never leaves the ground. Wealth works the same way. Most people are trying to build a life with just enough thrust to stay a few inches. Why? Because they've been conditioned to focus on the yield, not the machine. They want the fruit, but they never study the soil or the roots. Life is just a series of machines. Your career is a machine. Your health is a machine. Your bank account is a machine. If you don't like the results you're getting, it means there's a flaw in the design of your machine. But here's the problem. Most people are too proud, too scared, or too distracted to look under the hood. They blame the economy. They blame their boss. They blame their luck. But to change your life, you have to be willing to tear the old machine down and build something better. And that starts with understanding why your brain is actually wired to keep you poor. Most people think their biggest obstacle is a lack of money. They're wrong. Your biggest obstacle is looking you in the mirror every single morning. It's your ego. In the world of high stakes investing, we have a saying, pain plus reflection equals progress. But most people, they just feel the pain and they run away from it. You see, your brain is wired for survival, not for wealth. It wants you to stay. Now let's get into the engine room. This is the 5-step process that I used to build Bridgewater. It's not a suggestion. It's a law of nature. If you follow these steps in order, you cannot fail. Step 1, have clear goals. This sounds simple, but it's where 90% of people fail. Most people don't have goals. They have wishes. A wish is, I want to be rich. A goal is, I will generate $10,000 a month in passive cash flow by December 2027. You must be precise. Step 2, identify and don't tolerate problems. As you move toward your goal, you will hit walls. Most people. Step 3, diagnose the root cause. This is where most people break. When a problem hits, don't just fix the surface. Look at the root. If you're broke, the problem isn't, I don't have money. That's a symptom. The root cause is likely, I don't have a high value skill or I have a consumer mindset. Be brutally honest. Diagnosis is the medicine that tastes like hell but saves your life. Step 4, design the plan. Once you know the root cause, you must design a system to bypass it. Think of yourself as an architect. If you want to reach $20,000, don't just try harder. Build them. Step 5, push through to completion. Execution is the graveyard of most dreams. You have the goal. You found the problem. You designed the plan. Now you must DO. In 2026, everyone is a thinker, but very few are doers. This is monk mode. This is the long, quiet. Ray Dalio's success wasn't a fluke. It was built on radical truth. He realized that to win, you have to be okay with being wrong. You have to seek out the smartest people who disagree with you. Most people surround themselves with yes men. They stay in echo chambers. But a legend investor seeks the truth no matter how much it hurts. Look at the economic machine. It moves in cycles. You've reached the end of this video, but this is where your work begins. You have the 5-step process. You have the decoded logic. Now, I have one question for you. Are you a worker or are you a designer? Most of you will close this video and go back to your old machine. But a few of you, the ones who will actually change their lives, you will start step 1 today. Write down your goal. Identify your biggest problem. Don't tolerate it. The economic machine is waiting for you. Don't let it grind you down. Master it. We'll see you in the next deep dive into the logic of wealth. Stay disciplined.